Hello, everyone. Welcome to General Psychology, PSY 2012. This is Dr. Rivera. All right, everyone. In this video, I want to talk about the discussions. So if I click here on the discussions, there are a few things. First of all, you want to choose your discussion assignments. And so you only have to do two of those, and they are two worksheets. Um, you can look at the worksheets by clicking on the modules. Oops. And in the module section, uh, if you scroll all the way at the bottom, you'll notice that all of the worksheets are here. And so if I, click on one of them, it'll open up the worksheet so that I can see it and also so that I can download it. You'll want to download it when you're going to do your own worksheet to turn in. Okay, but here you see that there are directions. This one has a few extra directions because it asks you to find pictures, but just complete the worksheet. And you'll notice that at the bottom it says, explain to your class what you learned and what they should be learning. Because of course, what you're doing here is you're teaching that small little section of the chapter. And then you upload it, and that's it. When it's your turn to respond, which is going to be every week, let me come back here to discussion. Every week you're going to respond to two worksheets, right? And you're not going to just write one paragraph. Instead, you're going to answer these questions. And you should take about 1 to 2 sentences to answer these questions. And they're all very simple. First of all, you're going to recap in 1 or 2 sentences um, what you read, what the worksheet was about. Then you're going to explain why it's important or interesting. Then you're going to give a little bit more information relating to that topic. So something you read from the book or from somewhere else, or just other questions you might have. You're going to expand on that. And I give you some ideas on how to sort of start off or um, do that part. For example, you might say, you mentioned that something or other, and then I noticed this other thing. Or, according to the book or the lecture video, blah, 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 it says this or that. You don't have to use these. These are just in case you get stuck. Now, I do give you how to cite the book and some of the notes and the lecture videos. So please make sure that you look at those because you will get points for citations. This is just what opens up when you click that link. And you'll notice that I give you a bunch of different ways of citing things. So, for example, the book, if you're for some reason citing a TV show or uh, the notes or a lecture video. I give you all of those. So make sure that you cite them correctly. So that's the main thing you're going to do every week is you're going to respond to the worksheets. Now, of course, twice you're going to actually turn in your two worksheets. Remember, you only have to do two in the entire semester. So that's step 3 here. Remember that your post should be 500 words. Now that includes everything you wrote in the worksheet. It includes your paragraphs. And so it's not an extra 500 words, it's total. But you want to make sure that your worksheets are complete, that you write in complete sentences, as close to complete sentences as possible. and make sure that there's not a lot of grammatical mistakes, etc. There is a rubric for how I'm going to grade your discussion. Again, cite the book, please, and you're going to cite, or you're going to turn this into the discussion. Now, you're going to notice that in your discussion grade, what you're going to see there are your response grades. And so you're going to see that out of 30 points every time. When you turn in your worksheets, you're still going to turn them into the discussion board, but you're going to see your grade in another column, not in the discussion column. And the column is going to be called Turn in Your Worksheet by Sunday. And you'll see why, because eventually, when it's your turn to do your worksheet, that assignment is going to show up. And instead of turning in your worksheet into that assignment like you would usually do, you're just going to go into the discussion board and turn it into the discussion board. And I'll take care of the rest. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. And remember that the best way to contact me is directly through Canvas. I hope to hear from you soon.